Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction going on at Sandals in Negril. And straight ahead, those are some honeymoon suites that they are building. Now that road is a Norman Manley Boulevard, and Negril is one of the top tourist destinations in Jamaica. It's one of the three top destinations. You have Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and Negril. All three are tourist towns basically. And Sandals is one of the largest it is the largest hotel chain in Jamaica. And this property, they are expanding. They actually built one in Sandals Runaway Bay. No, is it Runaway? This Duns River, Sandals Duns River. Now, Negril is poised to have even more hotels being built. In Hanover, just across down the road, you have the Princess Resort, which is going to be the largest hotel in Jamaica in terms of rooms. And they're planning to upgrade the Negril Airport to the Negril International Airport. Right now, it's an aerodrome, and they have plans to upgrade it to an international airport. And when that is done, you're going to see even more hotels in Negril, because you can fly to Negril and get to your airport when you leave. Get to your hotel from the airport in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Now you have to fly into Montego Bay and take like an hour drive to Negril. So it will be a game changer if they get that airport up and running, or when they get it up and running as an international airport. Alright, so guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. And we'll keep you updated on this project and all the other projects going on in Negril. And Negril is actually to become a city, because Negril has a 7-mile beach, which is one of the most famous beaches in the world. Very nice. We're actually going to make a video of the beach one day and show you guys. But Negril has expanded. It's now in 2 parishes. You have Negril in Westmoreland and you have Negril in Hanover, which means you have 2 different parish councils making decisions for Negril. The part that's in Hanover will be the Hanover Parish Council, and the part that's in Westmoreland will be the Westmoreland Parish Council. So when Negril becomes a city, it will have its own parish council, and it should benefit Negril in the long run. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.